In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve linear equations in two variables by substitution method. Question 1 is x plus y equals to 14, x minus y equals to 4. When the variable y goes from LHS to RHS, the negative sign will turn to be positive. So the value of x is 4 plus y. What we have to do is put this value of x in equation 1. When I am going to put this value of x in equation 1, it will become 4 plus y equals to 14. Y plus y will become 2y. 2y equals to 14 minus 4. 2y equals to 10. And the value of our y will be 10 by 2, that is 5. Now put this value of y in this equation. X equals to 4 plus y. X equals to 4 plus 5. So our value of x is 9. Answer of this question is x equals to 9 and y equals to 5. Second is s minus t equals to 3 and s upon 3 plus t upon 2 equals to 6. First, what we are going to do is take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 2 will be 6. So I am going to multiply both the sides by 6. It will become 6 s by 3 plus 6 t by 2 equals to 6 multiplied by 6. So this will be 2s plus 3t equals to 36. On solving equation first, when the variable t shifts from LHS to RHS, the negative sign will become positive. So value of s will be 3 plus t. Now what we are going to do is put this value of s in equation, let's say it is equation 3. Put value of s in equation 3. So it will become 2 times of 3 plus t plus 3t equals to 36. 2 3s are 6 plus 2t plus 3t equals to 36. 6 plus 5t equals 36. 5t will be 36 minus 6. 5t equals to 30. And the value of t will be 30 by 5. That is 6. Now put this value of t in this equation. So s was 3 plus t. S will be equals to 3 plus 6. So value of s will be 9. So the solution of this equation is s equals to 9 and t equals to 6. Next equation is under root 2x plus under root 3y equals to 0. Under root 3x minus under root 8y equals to 0. On solving this, what we are going to get is under root 3x equals to under root 8y. The value of x will be under root 8 under root 3 times y. Now put this value of x in equation first. So it is going to be under root 2 plus under root 3y equals to 0. On taking the LCM, it will become upon under root 3 equals to 0. 2 8s are 16 and root of 16 will be 4. So 4y under root 3 into under root 3 will be 3. Under root 3 into 0 will be 0. So it will be 7y equals to 0. So answer is y equals to 0. When I am going to put y equals to 0 in this, it will also be x equals to 0. So the solution of this is, see, a1, this is our a1, B1 and C1, and this will be our A2, B2 and C2. If we are going to put values of A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2, we are going to get 3 upon 9 minus 1 upon minus 3 and minus 3 upon minus 9. This is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, again 1 by 3. So we observed here that A1 upon A2 is equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2, and this is the case of infinite many solutions. So there can be multiple solutions of these. 5 is 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 equals to minus 2. X upon 3 plus y by 2 equals to 13 by 6. First, what we are going to do is take the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. So I am going to multiply both the sides by 6. When we multiply, it will become 9x minus 10y equals to minus 12. 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Solving first, it will become 9x equals to minus 12 plus 10y, or the value of x will be 10y minus 12 upon 9. Put this value of x in equation 2. Put value of x in equation 2. What we are going to get is 2 multiplied by 10y minus 12 upon 9 plus 3y equals to 13. It will become 20y minus 24 plus 27y upon 9 equals to 13. 20y plus 27y will become 47y minus 24 equals to 13 multiplied by 9. 47y will be 117 plus 24, or we can say 47y equals to 141, and the value of y will be 141 upon 47, that is 3. So value of y is 3. Now put this value of y in our above substituted value of x. So x was 10y minus 12 upon 9. 10 multiplied by 3 will be 30. 30 minus 12 upon 9, that is 18 upon 9. So value of x will be 2. The solution of this question is x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Is solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. We are going to solve this question by substitution method. 2x plus 3y equals to 11. Value of x will be 11 minus 3y upon 2. Now we are going to put this value of x in equation second. So 2 times of 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y equals to minus 24. 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24. 11 minus 7y equals to minus 24. Minus 7y equals to minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y equals to minus 35. So our value of y will be 35 upon 7, that is 5. Now put this value of y and substituted value of x. So what we are going to get is x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2. X will become 11 minus 15 upon 2, that is minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. But we are asked to find the value of m. Equation was y equals to mx plus 3. Put value of y and x in this equation. Our y is 5. 5 equals to m minus 2 plus 3. 5 minus 3 equals to minus 2m. So value of m will be m equals to minus 1.